I've got to send you my dash cam footage right now. This dude's got a mattress standing upright in his trailer and it's flopping about. This thing's going to go flying. I don't even think he's aware. Like, he's tied it down with, it looks like rope that you would tie around a hay. What? The rope just broke. There goes the mattress!
Spotted bush turkey crossing the road. She stopped for the turkey. She stopped for the bush, even the bush turkey. Look, she stopped for the bush.
Oh my god,
look at the magpie and the bush turkey.
Look at you, you stupid bitch! How do you get fucked at all?
Don't mess with her.
Oh, sorry, mate. I'm sorry.
No, she's
Oh my god, I'm just sorry that I said that in front of your kids, man.
No.
Oh, Jesus Christ. No, it's unbelievable. Oh well, a bit of entertainment for you on your way home anyway, right?
After you get a hold and track.
What are you doing?
Get it. Holy snooky.
Fuck, you fucked up there, mate.
You're gonna need a couple of goes.
Oh my god. Go and start again, mate. Oh my god. Great. Take your time, mate. Let it stay, mate. I'm just playing a video. You just can't. Can you say that?
Got about a metre to go.
Imagine being in that car driving around now. I can just,
Start again.
Shut up, like, just laugh at him.
Oh, this is so good. Oh, goodness gracious.
You're a fucking idiot, bruh.
What a fucking dickhead are you?
Fuck me drunk! I just almost had a head-on crash. This cunt, this fuckwit in a fucking tradie ute just come fucking screaming through the roundabout, lost control, went onto the fucking gravel, and fucking come fucking skidding fucking sideways, locked up straight towards me head-on. I just fucking swerved and fucking dodged him. Yeah, fucking Christ! Oh, it was almost a big crash. If I hadn't have swerved out of the way, I reckon it would have been a fucking great crash.
Fuck off. Go. Fuck off. Your father. Fuck off. Go.
I've got so much stuff to pay, but by then I should be paid. Fucking good.
Fuck yeah, no! What are you doing?
Stop. No, you can't do that, mate.
No, sorry, mate.
You were
I didn't
so,
even see you.
You were so close to being hit, mate.
Sorry, mate. I apologise.
Where do you live? Where do you live?
I'll just go up the road.
Alright, fucking hell,
You
dude.
are so lucky I did not see you.
You are so close to being hit, then.
No, you're fine. We're just saying we nearly fucking hit
Just
you.
go home. Go straight home, alright?
I am.
Alright,
Stay
it's all
on the
good, alright?
footpath.
Where do you live?
Thank you very much.
Just stay on the footpath, mate.
That's it.
Just stay on the footpath. Alright, have a good day, mate.
What are you doing? What are you talking about? Are you cooked, bro? Are you on drugs? Like, what the fuck, dude?
I'm blinded by the light! I can't see! Fuck! You fucking dickhead! You fuckhead! Wow. Whoa. Oh. Fuck. Yeah, I've just fucking crashed into a river, dude. Fuck. My car is just fucking gone, dude. I'm in a river. I'm fucked. I'm fucked.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.